My name is Mark Callahan, and I'm going to give you an overview of the Cloud Canaries platform and its canaries. So first of all, I'm going to log in. When I do that, I end up on the Canary dashboard, and that's where all our canaries are displayed, at least within organizations that you're a member of. So we're going to go to Stage. We can display status. I'm actually running. We can edit a canary. We can do a deep dive on it. We can find out some general information about the canary. We can look at the deployment model, either what Kubernetes cluster it's running in within your organization, or it could also be a canary agent, which is an executable app. Status, schedule, frequency, alarms, and notifications. The health dashboard is the health of the endpoint or API and the canary. What you have here are service cards that display this information. And we can scroll by here and look at the different services and the statuses. If there is an issue that you've basically defined, you set thresholds for, you can generate an incident. And the incident is in the incidents page. It also provides a history, and you can look at ongoing. You can look at ones that have been resolved right here. I'm going to go to the compliance dashboard. The compliance dashboard is very, very similar to the health dashboard, but it's a period of time. It's a series of service cards again. Each service has an SLA. Our SLAs right now are based upon downtime. You can look at measurements that you've defined. You can look at more details about the SLA itself. And you can also look at the SLA results page, which provides historical information on the SLAs over a period of time and the current SLA period you're in. And also within the little graphs, you can see if the SLA has deteriorated anything, as it has gone down or gone up a little. So forecast. The forecast is a 5-day composite forecast. And what I mean by composite is that it takes all the forecasts from the individual services and it has a composite forecast. So you can drill down into, pick a day, into the service forecast and even go down to the canary level, which maps to your endpoint, your API that's collecting the data. So next we're going to do a quick view of some admin type pages. You set the organization here. You can define clusters, well, not define clusters. You can enter information into clusters that provides the platform the information it needs to inject canaries. You have service settings groups that provide ways to set thresholds and SLA values and urgency levels, impact levels through at one location. Schemas, we can take a standard open API 3.0 schema and actually turn that into a canary template library, which contains template canaries. We can also take that schema and turn it into a RESTful Python library as well. And primarily, this is for developers. Templates, I mentioned that briefly. These are the libraries that contain the template canaries. We'll go into this much more detail in our next demo. API keys, every canary has one, and we're going to log out. And that's the very brief overview of the Cloud Canaries platform and canaries. Thank you very, very much.